Elevate your evening display with Kasco's most innovative lighting options yet. To begin using your RGBW18 lighting system, first you'll need to download and set up the wBox app on your mobile device. Open the App Store and search for wBox, then download and install the app. Once installed, you can create a new account or log in quickly using your Google or Apple credentials. After logging in, the app will automatically launch a brief tutorial to help you get started. If the tutorial does not appear, open the menu and select How to Use to access at any time. If you plan to connect your phone directly to the control fixture, start by opening the Wi-Fi settings on your phone and ensuring Wi-Fi is turned on. From the list of available networks, select the network broadcast by the controller, which will appear as device _ followed by the unique device number, which should be 10 digits. Once connected, return to the wBox app. From there, tap Add Device to Account to add the light kit to your account. To access the main control screen, tap Control this device. After this step is complete, your phone is directly connected and you can now set up your lights to your desired setting. If you would like to set up your Kasco unit to be connected to your home or business Wi-Fi, tap Control this device, then locate and select the settings icon. From there, choose Connection. Select your home Wi-Fi network, enter your password, and tap Connect. The control fixture will then successfully connect to your home Wi-Fi network. Now that your RGBW18 lights are connected to a Wi-Fi source, let's walk through the app to help you find your desired setup. From the home interface, you can turn the lights on or off and choose a color using the color wheel or one of the preset shortcut options. Use the slider next to the color wheel to dim the selected color or adjust the brightness slider to add white LED light to your base color. To customize your color presets, tap Manage to add a custom color by using Add New Shortcut. Please note that you are limited to 10 color shortcuts. So to delete existing colors, use the trash can icon next to the color or adjust color through the pencil icon. For dynamic lighting, tap Effects to access rhythmic pattern options. Select a preset effect, then adjust the transition time between colors and how long each color is displayed to create your desired look. You can also add and create new effects. Do so by tapping the settings icon on the top of the home interface and select Effects. From there, tap Add Effect, enter the desired settings, and tap Save. Your new effect will now be available in the Effects menu. To schedule your lighting, tap the settings icon and select Time and Location. Set the appropriate time and location information, then return to the settings menu. Next, tap Schedule, followed by Add Schedule. Fill out the scheduling fields as desired and tap Save to activate your lighting schedule. With your RGBW18 lighting system now set up, connected, and fully customized, you're ready to enjoy complete control over your display. If you ever need to make any adjustments, the app allows you to update settings quickly and easily, ensuring your fountain or surface aerator always looks its best. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 715-262-4488, and the best customer experience team in the business will be able to help. Kasco, moving water forward since 1968.